Hey, let go, let go.
Morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. I actually have wheels to pick up for the Supra at VS1 Automotive. I'm pretty stoked. Let's head inside and show you guys their new facility. Just kidding, we're still at my house. It's like a 17-minute drive, so figured, you know what? I might as well just bring Gohan along. This kid fell out of the car the other day. Okay, so the rear seats are down and this kid is growing. And the other night I was driving slowly up the hill. Luckily I was already in the neighborhood and it wasn't on a main road. I had all the windows down and this kid had both of his front paws on the windowsill, and the next thing you know I'm looking back and then he's gone. Slammed on my brakes, put on my hazards. I got out of the car and then I saw this kid just like walking slowly back towards me. And in the past couple of days I've just been itching pebbles out of this guy's fur. He needs a haircut. You cute boy. Let's just head down to VS1 Automotive, meet Eric, grab our wheels and get this day started.
It doesn't matter how much milk you spill as long as you don't lose your cow. In other words, mistakes are not irreversible.
Listening to some John C. Maxwell on leadership. Actually, I love listening to podcasts and online seminars. Like, the longer it is, like if it's an audiobook, the better. That's why I love going, ooh. Dude, we're here. I'm gonna show you some of the cars that are outside right now.
Mistakes are not permanent marks.
This is Eric's. Oh man, that's pretty cool. Actually, yo, holy. There's a whole lineup of Porsches over there. I'm gonna park and let's go shopping for shoes. Whoa, we're gonna go for a walk. Go on, high five. Yeah, nice try. All right, a lot right here. Damn. Okay, this kid's trying to pull me. Let's go inside and pick up your new shoes. So basically, this is where Hout AG used to be, and these guys, VS1 Automotive, and Eric, Mr. Zakusha Tuning, always coming in clutch with the parts. God damn, man.
Sorry, we gotta keep the social distancing.
Yeah, no kidding, man. I'll stay away. Appreciate it. These little really came in a week, man. I put in the order and he's like, dude, they're here. Something like, yeah, man. Like, it probably. We're waiting, boy. So patient. All right, wheels acquired. Before we leave, I wanted to show you guys Eric's Sienna. This beautiful masterpiece. This is a van on Advance. Hey. Move, boy. That's my spot, boy. Do you want to drive? Yeah. Come on, boy. Come on. Move. There was a package at the front door. And I have a feeling I know what this is. Let's go downstairs and open it up. Or, you know what? Let's just open it right here. Yeah. More lanyards. Oh. Yo! Guys, better make sure you pick one of these up. This isn't your regular, everyday, normal lanyard. Look, you unclip this part. Yeah! Hard with one hand. Look at this. So once you get it unclipped, guys, you have this concealed 64 gigabyte USB drive. This green Kmart lanyard has the same memory as the SD I'm using for this camera. So I can actually keep a lot of files on this little guy. So go grab your cake. These are available on the website right now. Don't have that many, okay? Got the purple lanyards and yellow ones as well. Woo! What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Kind of wanted to do a super day, but there is no way we're gonna be fitting that many parts. The reason is because we're actually picking up the Mustang, so we're only taking one car. I'm getting Shane to drive the Mustang back with me all the way to the garage. We might actually be letting go of the Mustang today. And if you were watching in the previous vlog, we were taking a look at a Dodge SRT4, this pretty done up tuned red one that was pushing around like well over 300 horsepower. That's faster than my FRS already. We got Ben from Joyride to check it over, so if everything is good, I think that kid's gonna be more than happy to do the trade. All right, car day for Shane, so we're just trying to fit his headlights into the Supra. And as you can see, very limited space. All right, we'll do our best, but we'll see you guys at Joyride. All right, we're here. Now just looking at the 300ZX. It's running my old F1R wheels, man. This was on the first phase of the FRS build. No, seriously, my actual ones. Because I remember Ben's like, you want to just trade for the work? There they are. That's sick. Check out Shane's new headlights. Damn. That's so cool, man.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Yo, that's your turn signals.
That's it.
Yeah, at night, man, this is just gonna be on.
Do the high beam again, Brett? Yeah, I'm gonna be like you. Leave it on forever. Filipino stuff.
It's not just Filipinos, okay? It's talking about how anything new, basically, like if they get a brand new TV, they leave the plastic on it. I know Latino families keep plastic on their couches. Or is that Italians? I don't want to be racist here, so I'll just shut my mouth. Could get Angus to PPF it. I mean, it's immaculate right now, man. And it's gonna be basically sandblasted for the next few years. Shane, let's see it. Cool. Hey, it's Cartoon Birdie here. So the mic not having a filter gets pretty unbearable, but basically what I'm saying in this part is that I printed off some stickers and we're gonna start putting decals on the car. I promise to start using mic filters for future videos. I just don't like the idea of having a rat on top of my camera. The handle's gonna go on the side window. Yeah, let's stick these on. Instagram verified, boys. Guys, if you aren't already, follow us on Poor Sports. We can hook you up with parts. Honestly, Poor Sports probably one of the only sponsors for the Supra. And shout out to Mod Infinite, AG, Battle Arrow, as well as AWE Tuning. You guys rock. And can't forget Street Hunter. She's a little dirty, but she's still pretty. We're gonna help Brett install this Lost Royalty banner on his new Evo. If we didn't wrap your car, there would have been too many blue cars here. So if you haven't seen the vlog, me and Brett actually picked this up from Edmonton, which is 3-hour drive from Calgary. The previous owner actually did some work on it, and I'm sure like he actually had to put in a little bit of effort to revert it back because there's still Ferris parts on it. I think these alone, like the carbon fiber pillars, are about 300 USD. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh shit. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah, something like that.
I think this side has to go up. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Alright guys, thank you to whoever left this John Deere machine. There's a guy in it, just kidding. But it's a perfect opportunity for us to take some photos underneath it. So, bring your beers out afterwards, okay? Do it! Now we're gonna take some photos of some of these beers at. Damn, his spoiler was close. Gohan. Hello, doggy. Hey, hey, hey. Nice try. What do we do? Yeah! What do? Hey! Alright, fine. I'll let you out. Beauty. Guys, we've been waiting for this. Check. Beanbag. What would you call this? Beanbag beans? Yeah, if I open this right here and now, this kid is gonna go crazy. Got 3 bags of this stuff. Now, I wasn't entirely sure where you can buy this locally, so I just ordered it off Amazon. And it was only like 20 bucks per bag. Now, you might be asking yourself, why did I need 3? This is gonna be going into a Snorlax. A couple of weeks ago, I bought one of those giant Snorlaxes off eBay. So we're gonna fill this up, and hopefully this is enough beanbag filler. This is the 65-inch Snorlax that you can buy off Etsy or eBay, and I bought 3 bags of this beanbag filler, so hopefully it's enough to fill the big guy. I wonder if I can wear this. This can totally be a costume. Snorlax. It's just me. Go on, you're in front of the camera, dude. You can help, Bubba? What the hell? I don't even know if this is enough. Let's just go for it. That's definitely not how you fill this guy. You're the cameraman. So regal. Good boy. We're almost there. Go no! Please, it's not food. Thank you. Look at this thing. Yay! Okay, not bad. But I feel like we can use a couple more of these beanbag filler bags. I'll probably end up ordering like 3 more. I want him to be a fat Snorlax. Before I end the video, I just want to remind you guys, if you want to... Before I let you go, just want to remind you that if you guys do want to pick up some KMR merch, head over to the Kings Must Rise website. We've restocked on most of our apparel, and we have a whole bunch of new accessories and stuff like that. Plus, Kid Life Crisis Gear 3 is dropping in July, so mark your calendars. We actually haven't set a specific date as to when exactly, but it's probably going to be closer to the end of July. So yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. As usual, if you guys want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel, you know what to do. Drop some likes, leave some comments, all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Bye, doggy. Oh, you happy? Are you happy? Yeah, we're chilling. Yo, Gohan, I feel like this can be your new dad. Okay?